Hello everyone, my name is Dominique Hubbard and today I will be talking about WeChat. In Chapter 2 of Social Media Marketing, the authors discuss the topic of social footprints. A social footprint is basically your social activity. On the other hand, a digital footprint is your activity online. So whenever you visit a website or social media app such as WeChat, organizations typically monitor your activity, basically picking up your trail. They monitor how often you use the app, what type of content you're liking, and things like that. Social footprints are divided into 4 zones. Zone 1, which is social community. Zone 2, which is publishing. Zone 3, which is social entertainment. And Zone 4, which is commerce. The WeChat application allows you to enter one of those zones. However, if you're like most users, you're probably cross-functioning between each zone. Here's a brief demonstration of how to use the WeChat app. Since I am using the English version, it is limited as opposing to using the Chinese version. Once you download and open the app, you will first see your chats, and then you will see your contacts, and then on your Discover screen, you can tap on moments where your pictures are posted, and then you can also search things such as other people's moments, articles, and other people's accounts. You'll just click search and type in whatever you want. And then if you go back to the Discover page, you have a scan. And then on your profile, you have your name, your ID number, favorites, moments, sticker gallery, and settings. And then within each one of these tabs, you can configure your settings. Some background information on WeChat. It was originated in China in 2011. It was created by Tencent Holdings, founded in 1998. Who uses the WeChat app? So WeChat is mostly popular in Asia, specifically China, with over 1 billion users worldwide and more than 19 million active users in the United States. WeChat usage occurs in the 18 to 25 age group. However, lately there has been a shift over time to 26 to 25 between 2015 and 2017. On this diagram here, you will see that WeChat users mostly fall into 4 categories: private enterprise, self-employed, student, and public sector. 90% of WeChat's users fall into these 4 categories. You also have some other categories as well, such as farming, military, and retired. However, those are the least. What are the benefits of using WeChat? Well, first, WeChat is a free app with a simple layout for all users. Why do people use it? Chinese users use it for communication, such as social interaction, similar to how we use Facebook in the United States. International users outside of Asia mostly use it for business purposes, such as selling products, advertising, or buying products within the Chinese market. Why do people pick WeChat over other apps? Well, WeChat users can do anything from posting videos to filing for divorce within the app. It's the largest social network in China. In addition, many non-Chinese brands have used WeChat's many programs and platforms features to break into that Chinese market. The Chinese market is the largest market, and now that you no longer need a Chinese business license to create an account, just like I did, more businesses are expected to follow. Are there any risks when using WeChat? Yes. Chinese cyberspace is one of the most surveyed and censored in the world. That includes WeChat as well. Researchers say its use abroad has extended the global reach of China's surveillance and censorship methods. As Chinese technology companies expand their footprint outside of China, they are also sweeping up vast amounts of data from foreign users. Every day, millions of WeChat conversations held inside and outside China are flagged, collected and stored in a database connected to public security agencies inside of China. Marketing and collaboration. WeChat offers plenty of ways for businesses to create a unique marketing strategy. As WeChat has evolved into a super app with a range of functions, the ways that businesses can interact with their customers has become essentially limitless. Some successful ad campaigns and collaborations with WeChat. For example, the first one is WeChat and Burberry. Burberry sent out a photo of a decent cylinder-shaped box to its WeChat followers through the app. Fans had to follow the instructions. They had to shake it, tap it, and swipe to try and open the gift to find out what was inside. This fun little interaction was unique and helped Burberry stand out from its competitors. Link Hotel brought an amazing feature to WeChat as well. By scanning the QR code inside their room, guests were linked to the hotel's official account, which allowed them to adjust lighting, air temperature, and even the volume of the TV through the hotel's WeChat official account with ease by using their mobile phones. Now, you may be wondering, how does a company make profit from a free app? Well, WeChat's average revenue per user is estimated to be at least $7. That's 7 times the ARPU of WhatsApp, the largest messaging platform in the world. WeChat's basic revenue. So WeChat uses online ads, value-added services, and other things as well. For value-added services, WeChat sells customer goods, such as gaming, avatars, online stickers, and much more. For gaming, WeChat has internal games, so once a user uses a game a lot, plays a game a lot, WeChat will start to include advertisements to game add-ons that a user can purchase for their games. WeChat also has stickers, so stickers enhance the experience when using the WeChat app. Most stickers are 99 cents per set. And then lastly, they have advertising and WeChat payments. The WeChat payments do charge a fee. Overall, is WeChat an effective application? I would say yes, specifically because it allows you to tap directly into the Chinese market. The Chinese market is a great way if you want to start a business or you want to sell things to the Chinese market or things like that. It gives you that direct contact.